I've had issues with my ears. And I tell you, ear stuff is not fun. Hey everybody, it's Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother. I'm gonna just share with you what to do for ears. I travel a lot, so about 10 or 15 years ago, I was flying from California to Dallas, and my eardrum burst on the plane. Real fun. The best oil, bar none, and I don't even like the smell, but this is the best oil, Melaleuca. It's so good. And doTERRA's, you only need 1 drop because it's so concentrated, of course. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna put 1 drop just in the palm of my hand. And if you don't have carrier oil, yes, you could just put it straight on you. But what I'm gonna do instead is I've got my 1 drop of Melaleuca, and I'm just gonna put a drop and maybe 2 drops of doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. So all I'm doing is taking this diluted Melaleuca and going like this. What you wanna do is you wanna go in front of your ear, okay, right like that. And then you want to go all the way back, all the way right behind your earlobe where it's really soft and sensitive. Go in there, and then all the way down the sides that follow along where your lymph nodes are, come all the way down your neck. The other oil I've done this with when I didn't want to smell like Melaleuca is lavender. It has 227 known uses, which is incredible, right? These 2 oils are so amazing. So if I ever have any issues with anything as far as ears, I just run to those and just go like this. Now, if I had kids at home, I would not be doing this and be messing with this at all. I would definitely make a roller ball. So what you do is, for adults, the ratio is 1/3 essential oil and 2/3 fractionated coconut oil, you know, your carrier oil. But for kids, you only need like 10 drops for this whole thing, and then just do that. And this would have made my life so much easier when I had kids. So the great thing about these is they're 2 of the top oils. So I hope that helps. Just do it 3 times a day for 3 days. And write in, you know, the really, I don't know the anatomical thing for it, but I went to go grab my wand and I saw this instead. I grabbed this. Here's my rose wand. I can't do it right here because I have my scarf on. But again, everybody, it's Jeannie Bradley, your Essential Fairy Godmother.